Yeah. Alright.
Jaggy dick and chicken cup.
Yahoo, 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 yahoo. I want all the girls from Ghana. Call me Mr. Pana. Me want Thai bandana. Hey, make me look good like a. When I go down to Tanzania, guess we big baka. Everywhere for the corner. Man, I'm going gaga. You can get it, 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 you can get it.
Hi everyone, if you are a new subscriber, if this is the first time you are seeing my face, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will know each time I upload a video. I try to upload a video at least once a week so you don't want to miss out. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I hope you enjoy this content and I hope you continue to come back and watch my videos. Alright you guys, so let's talk about why we are here today. You guys, we're here today because I got a new unit. So I got it from this company called gobeautyny.com. It's a company that sells all different types of units, and the one that I have is synthetic. As you probably know, if you follow my channel, I wear a combination of human hair units and synthetic units. I don't wear as many synthetic units, but from time to time I do get the itch to, you know, throw some on. The unit that I have, okay, so this is a Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss lace unit. It's called Wet Lace Hair Illusion Lace Wig, and the style is Morgan. Alright, it's a soft Swiss lace, ear to ear with combs and adjustable straps for a secure fit. It has a 13x6, you guys, pre-plucked, realistic, natural hairline. Alright, and again, like I said, it's an undetectable, translucent Swiss lace for a seamless hairline and natural looking parting right out the box, you guys. And the color that I got is a burgundy wine, you guys. So this is the unit, and I'm gonna open it up right in front of you guys.
I like to put it on you, as I see your body banging. No need to tell you what to do. Cause your body said nobody. Shake it for your daddy. Shake it for your daddy. Don't stop, don't think of your mommy. 1, 2, 3 for your daddy. Check out my rawa. Check out my rawa. Come on, oh yeah, hey, pull up in a Ferrari. I'm a dog where nothing there on. You better recognize your daddy. Oh yeah, touch him in Miami. Go up in a Lambo, zoom back to the crib to my condo. She got things in a Django. Cocoaalmondjoy. Oh yeah, shake it for your daddy. Shake it for your daddy. Shake it for your daddy. Don't stop, don't think of your mommy. 1, 2, 3 for your daddy. Check out my rawa. Come on, check out my rawa.
I like it when you call on me papi. You like it when I call you daddy. I know you be wanting my candy. I see how you look at my body. So now me be confirmed. #1 on the countdown. So you guys be a gentleman. Take yourself on confirm. Wuske, she jeje, wuske, yeah she jeje, wuske, she jeje, wuske. Give me your more and me coaster. You're about telling me it's over.
Shake it for your daddy. Shake it for your daddy. Don't stop, don't think of your mommy. 1, 2, 3 for your daddy. Shake it for your daddy. Shake it for your daddy. Don't stop, don't think of your mommy. 1, 2, 3. Check out my rawa. Come on, check out my rawa.
Okay, hi everyone. So this is the unit on my head. I went ahead and I made it like into a side part. Yeah, I wasn't really feeling the middle part for this particular unit, so I decided to just turn it to the side, and I'm loving the way it looks on the side, you guys. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. And I got the burgundy wine color. I was trying to get like the 1B and the 1, but those were out of stock and they sold out, so this was the only color that I felt that I could wear. They had some other colors as well, but this was the color that I felt that I could wear, so I decided to pick it up. I love the unit. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. You saw the unboxing. You saw me put a little bit of my setting mousse just to kind of flatten the top up a little bit. And then I also used some dry shampoo because I felt like it was just a little bit shiny and I didn't want it to be super duper synthetic type of shiny, even though it is synthetic hair, you guys. Hey, but this looks like some bundles. This is some bundles. This is some bundles. You guys, this hair is so pretty. I love it. So, does the hair shed? I just started wearing it. As you can see, it sheds a little bit, but again, I've been playing around with it, so it keeps shedding. My brush here, it has some hair in it, and I have some hair on the floor. But I also, the way I cut my lace, I'm not the most precise when it comes to cutting my lace, so sometimes I cut the hair, and I think that makes it shed. It is super duper long, you guys. I want to say it's almost like maybe like a 22 to like maybe even close to like a 24 inch. It goes past my breast area. I love the construction of it, you guys. The lace is amazing, okay? The lace just blended with my skin. This hair, you guys, if you are contemplating on whether or not to get this hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you, go ahead and get it, you guys. Just go ahead and get it, okay? I know this is just my first time wearing it, and you know, look, it's a synthetic wig, so I know it's not gonna last forever, but right off the bat, you guys, I can throw this on and go out the door. And that's the purpose of why sometimes I like wearing synthetic wigs, because I can just throw it on and let's get out the door. All right? I don't need to be trying to lay my hair down and, you know, gots to be and all that. I ain't got time for all that all the time. I do it sometimes, but you know, most of the time, I want to say 90% of the time when I wear my units, you guys, all the units that you see on my channel, they're glueless, they're tapeless. I don't adhere them, okay? I just plop them on my head, and this is the outcome. This is how it looks. Now, this particular unit was a bit expensive. Like I told you earlier, I got it from gobeautynewyork.com. The price of the unit is actually $69. I was like, what? Excuse me? Huh? For a synthetic unit? Yeah, $69. But I got some percentage off. I got a big discount off, like about probably $30-something off. So it was well worth it, honestly. It was absolutely worth it. So yeah, that's this particular unit. If you have any questions about it, please do not forget to leave those questions down below. All right, thanks so much for stopping by, all right? And I'll see you in another video. Bye!
Shake it for your daddy. Shake it. Shake it for your daddy. Shake it. Shake it for your daddy.
Hi, everyone. It looks good.
Don't stop. Don't think of it.
No? It don't look good?
1, 2, 3 for your daddy.
It looks good. Okay.
I like to put it on you. As I see your body banging. No need to tell you what to do. Cause your body's in the mad. Shake it. Shake it for your daddy.